All right, guys. Now we are leaving Port of Genoa. Port of Genoa. It's in Italy. This is where I actually arrived last night. Actually, no, this morning at about was around in the morning around 7 o'clock. No, was it 8 o'clock? Yeah. As you can see now, the ship is moving. Right, we are moving. I wanted to make sure that I put the camera stand still so you guys can see that at least the ship is moving. Right, such a wonderful experience, guys. Sometimes it's always good for us to move. Let us move from our comfort zones. The thing of always sitting in one place, it's not a good thing, it's not a good thing at all. Let us learn to be active in life. The more you are active, the more you're showing God that you appreciate what He has given you. You are in this world on earth for you to explore the world. Like God said, my son, my child, go out there and rule. Be yourself and dwell and be yourself. So, as a person, you need to learn to understand one thing. Learn to be, outgoing. Always be yourself. Try in everything that you could do. I know it's hard. It's not easy for everyone. Financially, it's not easy. But, we can all make it. You understand? If you tell yourself that you can, yes, you can. And you can. If I can, why not you as a South African? You understand? Now, guys, let me just tell you something. You must learn to live like a foreigner in your own country. Then you'll save a lot of money. You understand? But if you are going to tell yourself that you are, you who wants to have everything, because of what the government is giving you, then you're gonna suffer. You're gonna end up living under their umbrella, and you'll end up, suffocating because of everything they're doing. Is because of they want you to fall under their traps. So be outgoing, fight for your lives, go out there, work hard.